Swimming nose clip earplug set. Now, let's talk comfort and convenience with our 18th pick. The swimming nose clip earplug set. Tired of water creeping into your nose and ears during a swim? This set provides a simple yet effective solution, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free swimming experience. Let's dive into how this accessory keeps you focused on the fun, rather than unwanted water intrusion. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or enjoying a leisurely swim, this nose clip and earplug set creates a watertight seal, preventing water from entering your nasal passages and ears. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to uninterrupted water enjoyment. It's not just a set, it's your ticket to a more enjoyable swim. Number 19. Swimming Finger Webbed Gloves. Frog Hand Gear. Our 19th pick is all about enhancing your swimming performance. The Swimming Finger Webbed Gloves, also known as Frog Hand Gear. Channel your inner amphibian and experience increased speed and agility in the water. Join me as we explore how these webbed gloves revolutionize the way you move through the aquatic world. Slip on these webbed gloves and you'll feel the immediate difference in your swimming performance. Mimicking the webbed structure of a frog's feet, these gloves provide additional surface area, allowing you to glide through the water with ease. It's not just a pair of gloves, it's your aquatic propulsion system.